Hey, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I know I owe you guys a reading journal update video. That will be coming soon, but in the meantime, I've had so many requests over the last couple of years to show you how I make my little book jacket stickers. And I did go over this in one reading journal update video, but it was kind of like hidden within the video. So this is going to be a very short video explaining how I do this, and it's actually a clip from that previous video. So I just wanted to come on here and explain that so you didn't think I was trying to upload like a whole new video when you knew it wasn't a new video, I guess. So here's the clip. I thought it might be helpful to show you how I print out these babies. So let's take a look at my computer and I'll show you exactly what I do. I use Google Docs. I know a lot of people use Canva, but I use Google Docs for this because I'm just used to it and it's easy. So first I go to Amazon and type in the name of the book, and I usually put paperback after it because if not, sometimes it gives me the audiobook, which is a square shape. So just to be safe, I do that. I click on the image of the book and then click again to bring it up big. And then I right click and do save image as, and then it saves it to my computer. You could also just go to Google Images and type it in, but I just find this to be the fastest way. My next step is to open Google Docs and start a new document and drag in the photo of the book. Then I right click and choose image options. Then I choose size and rotation, and then I switch the size to the size I want it to be for my reading journal. It's going to be different for everyone, so you have to choose the size first and then do it like that every time. The size I use is 1.05 inches by 1.64 inches. You can do the same thing every time, but sometimes I like to copy and paste the same book multiple times to make a row across the page. And then I right click and choose replace image and select the next one. And that's about it. Once I create a whole page of it, I can go back in next time I want to update my journal and just right click on each image, select the image I want, and you can replace them really fast. It's a fast and easy way to print these out. I print them directly onto sticker paper, and I'll link my sticker paper that I use in the description box. So then I just print it out on my printer, and I will say that when I printed these, I don't think I did like best quality when I was printing it. I selected best quality for these, and they look much, much more vibrant and better. So make sure that when you print on your printer, you select best quality. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. I know most people do use Canva for that though, and Canva is probably easier, but I wanted to show you my process in case you're someone who doesn't use Canva or you just find using Google Docs easier in general. This year, and I haven't updated this yet, I know I'm very behind, but this year is going to be bigger ones like this. So all I'll do is go in and resize that, like measure here. I'll probably, let's see. I'll probably do something like 2 inches by 1.5 or something like that, just to make bigger ones, because this year I'm going into more detail on each book. So I need bigger photos of the book jackets. So that's it. And again, I will definitely be making this video soon. I've just been putting it off because it's overwhelming, but I know I have to do it since it's like May already. I haven't read that much this year. I mean, I've read maybe 1 to 2 books per month. So it's not a whole lot. So it's going to be doable, but stay tuned for that. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys have a great day and a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.